If you're currently using the Microsoft Shift application within Microsoft Teams to create schedules for your team, but every time you need to create a new block of schedules, you're doing it manually through the Excel template that they provide you or manually in the UI, you're losing valuable time, increasing mistakes, and making your operations more difficult than they need to be. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to automate the shift creation inside Microsoft Teams shifts. We're going to be using Power Automate and SharePoint, and you don't need any third-party tools, no extra licensing, just using the Microsoft 365 licenses that you already have. So let's get to it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to yet another automation video here at the Automation This YouTube channel. My name is Will with LocodeSystems, where we help businesses like yours grow by removing those annoying bottlenecks through automations, integrations, apps, and IT services. And if you're an IT manager, operational leader, HR professional, or you own your own business and are already using Microsoft 365, this video, I'm going to be showing you how to eliminate the manual work of scheduling within the Microsoft Teams Shift application by connecting SharePoint, Power Automate, and the Teams Shift application. We're going to be creating an automation that's going to prevent you for creating those schedules manually every time you need to create one. But because I respect your time and I know that some of you just want to know, okay, what are the benefits to this automation and how it works? So the way we're going to do this video is the first half is going to be just showing you the benefits of this automation, and we're going to run the flow so you can see it in action, creating the schedule within the Microsoft Shift application. But if you actually want to see how to set up the infrastructure, the prereqs that you need in order to create this automation, and a brief walkthrough of the actual flow, then go ahead and make sure that you look in the description for the link for the second part of this video, or it's going to appear somewhere on your screen. Let's start off by talking of why do you need this automation and why should you adopt this automation? Well, if you're already using the Microsoft Shift application within Microsoft Teams, or even if you're using any other scheduling tool and you're constantly creating these schedules manually, or maybe you don't have a system to creating schedules and you want to see how you can adopt one, I'm about to give you 7 reasons of why this automation will help you out. So number 1, it will eliminate the manual work of scheduling. So most teams schedule hours every week, manually updating schedules in Excel sheets, or if you're creating it manually within the application. But this automation will remove all that manual work. It will save hours of admin time. It can cut cost allocated to maybe using other third-party tools that you may be using, even though you're already paying for Microsoft 365. And it frees up managers and team leads time. Number 2 is going to prevent mistakes and coverage gaps. So mistakes in manual scheduling, it's often a real problem. So you can miss a call coverage, you can double book people, or service delays. But with this automation, it can reduce downtime, it can improve quality and consistency, and cut escalations and fire drills. Number 3, it improves communication and visibility. So when you're creating schedules live inside the Microsoft Shift application, your staff will always see the latest version. And you're not going to be providing an outdated version to your people that are going to be working those shifts. This is going to instantly send updates to your staff, is going to decrease confusion within schedules, and immediately create visibility for managers and staff. Reason number 4, it keeps data inside Microsoft 365. So if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, this means that you're not going to be needing any third-party tools and no additional tools to manage. So this is going to, 1, cut your cost, and is going to give you compliance over your schedules. And it works with Outlook, SharePoint, Power BI, and Teams, which already comes within your licensing. Reason number 5, and I think this is one of the most important ones in using this automation within Microsoft Teams, is that it scales with your business. So this is not just one-off script. This can scale from a single team to your entire organization, versus you creating these schedules manually in your Excel or through the UIs can take you hours. But by using this automation, all you have to do is change the amount of blocks you need and add more teams if you need to, and it's going to create those schedules for you. So the benefits are that it's going to work for either 5 people or 500 people. And you can keep your scheduling consistent across all departments. And it's easy to duplicate and expand. Reason number 6, it unlocks future automations as well. So this is just the foundation for you to unlock more automations. For example, You can update Azure AD on-call groups automatically. You can trigger alerts and escalations. You can send daily and weekly shift reminders, as well as present this data in Power BI dashboards for staffing. And you can create auto handoffs when shift ends, so you don't have to manually do anything. The impact of this is that it reduces overtime, it creates a better SLA performance, and it gives you support for 24/7 operations without the extra headcount. And finally, reason number 7, it betters employee experience. So your team gets clarity and consistency, and that increases accountability for everyone in your team. The impacts are fewer missed shifts, better communication, and less stress for everyone. You don't have to be struggling creating the shifts the day before or the hour before. So this just gets created for you, and you don't have to worry about doing anything manually. So these are my 7 benefits of why this automation could benefit your business, especially if you're already using the Microsoft Shift application within Microsoft Teams. But even if you're using other third-party tools, one, if you want to move to Microsoft Teams, you already know the benefits. And maybe within that third-party application, you're creating the shifts manually. Just know that you don't have to be on the Microsoft stack to automate that process, but you can also automate it using other tools. And now I'm going to kick off the flow within Power Automate so you can see it in action. I have already cleared my last schedule end date and the last schedule UPN within my SharePoint list, and I have my flow here ready to run. So all I'm going to do here, let me show you first within the Teams application that currently there's no schedules scheduled for any day. So if I have this monthly already, so I have no schedules for December or past schedules. So when I run this, automation is going to create the schedules within November, starting the 23rd. So let's go ahead and hit the flow so it can start running. So I'm going to click test, manually run, and test this out. All right, so now my flow is going to kick off and is going to start running and is going to start creating the shifts within my Teams app. So let's go ahead and run flow, and the flow has started running. And so let's go back to my shift application and let's just wait a second, and it's going to start creating these shifts. And there you go. So it already started running and it's starting creating the shifts from the first team, and is going to go down to applications and IT infrastructure. So if we look over this shift, let's change the view to week. Let's go back to today. No, we're in November, too far away. So there you go. So I have shifts from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and I also gave it a title, on call auto schedule. This is always customizable. You can change if your shifts go longer than this. You can change those shifts. If someone else is supposed to take the shift after the 2 p.m., you can include that within the automation. The flow is still running. They just created the shifts for these people, but you can also, you can change the block amount of how many schedules you want to create per run. You can also change when it runs, how often it runs. So let's say you want your your automation to run each week. You can schedule it to run each week and create a certain amount of schedules, maybe just for a week, for different amount of people. So this flow is just customizable. This is what I have just for the purpose of this demo, but for your specific case, it'll obviously adapt to your case. But this is the overall flow. The flow is we're still running, but it just created for the applications team as well. And you can also duplicate this flow in case we need to create for different schedules, or we can include them within the same automation. So now this is it for the automation. So if you were just here to see what are the benefits to this automation and how it works when it runs, this is exactly how it works. This is how it looks. And it also sends communications to your people within the shift application once the schedules have been created. So there you go. I finally created the ones for the IT infrastructure team. And one more thing I want to show you is that it also creates within my SharePoint list that I created. If I refresh this page, it's going to give me the last schedule end date and the last schedule UPN. So the automation is smart enough to know that, okay, hey, For this group, I schedule until this date because obviously some groups are going to have more members, some groups are going to have less members. One, it'll keep track of the last schedule and date of the last person that was scheduled for that run. And on the next run is going to pick up from that last schedule and date and from that last person that was scheduled, so it doesn't double schedule it. So that is it. That's how the automation looks when it runs. It creates all your schedules for all your groups. So if you have more shift schedules and more groups, it's going to create those schedules for everyone. And if you have any questions, go ahead and email me directly at will@locodesystems.com or visit locodesystems.com. I'm leaving the link in the description below, and schedule your free 30-minute consultation, whether it is creating this automation, or if you need any other automations or applications or portals done for your business. We're there to help. We're happy to advise you. We're happy to meet with you and see where we can help your business grow. So without anything else, that's all I had for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And once again, I thank you so much for watching this video and being part of the community. And I hope that you stay tuned to watch more videos coming up in the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.